Okay, guys, here we are at the topic 15 tests, and I just want to talk to you guys about it a little bit. Make sure that for 1, 2, 3, 4, you're thinking about inches here. You can use an inch ruler. Thinking about centimeters here, you can use the centimeter ruler. Cubes here. Remember, a Lego 2x2 square Lego works really good, or a piece of bubble gum to think about if you have a cube, and it says use the picture of the cube to estimate the length of the marker. So you're using this marker right here, not a real marker, just this marker. And then you're doing a little bit of math here on 3. You can do that mentally. On 5, I have kids get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 wrong a lot of times. So on 5, 6, 7, it says draw lines to match each length to its correct object. So if you have a book, an umbrella, and a walnut. So in real life, not on this worksheet, because look, on this worksheet, this walnut looks bigger than this umbrella, but in real life, is a walnut bigger than an umbrella? No. So think about in real life, which one of these objects is about an inch, a foot, a yard? Draw a nice straight line for me. None of that squiggly business that I gotta follow. Nice straight line. You could use your ruler. You have a ruler with you, right? And then same for 8, 9, and 10. In real life, it's like this ant, it's bigger than that shoe. I wouldn't want to come across an ant bigger than a shoe, and there are. We read about ants. We know there's lots of big ants in the world, but I still don't want to see one. So in real life, which one of these objects is a centimeter long, a meter long, 20 centimeters long in real life? All right. On 11, what is the distance around the cover of the notepad? So distance around. That's very important. And if you think back to the lesson the other day, I said kids get these problems wrong a lot of the time for a certain reason. And I'm not going to tell you that right now because it's a test. But you need to show your work on this. So I want to see your addition problem. And I'm not going to put the pluses and equals because I will give you hints then. You need to do that on your own, but I want to see the work there. You're going to get a point for showing me your work. Okay. And then on 12, circle the unit you need fewer of to measure the length of a bedroom. So would you need fewer feet or fewer yards? And remember, we talked about this when we talked about how big some things are and how small some units are. Bigger units, smaller units, so think about that. All right, we are not going to do the inside of this. I don't like it. Plus, we're not in the classroom, and even when we're in the classroom, I never do this. I don't like this one. I have lines and worksheets of lines that you would measure, but I didn't send them home for you because I thought of something more fun for you guys to do. So this is what you're going to do, and it's also stated on your instructions, but this is what I want you to do. You're supposed to get a piece of paper and an object and a ruler. And this is my object. It's a squishy burrito. Noah got a game for Easter called Throw Burrito. So I thought that'll be fun to measure. So I took the burrito. So on your piece of paper, you need to write problems 1 and 2 and write what you're measuring. I'm measuring a burrito. And then you're going to measure it in inches and you're going to measure it in centimeters. And I want you to show me. If you just turn this in, I don't know if what you measured is correct. So you need to have this, and you either need to have mom or dad take a video of you, or you take a video of yourself, like I could do that. Here's my phone, here's my burrito, and here's my ruler. And I'm going to see how many inches it is. And I'm either going to record it. Okay, so I would record it, or I would just take a picture. So if I was going to take a picture, I'll show you guys. Look at, so Mrs. Montini, I guess it's hard for you to see. I'm trying to get this in here. So if I'm going to take a picture, I need to make sure that I get it at a good angle so Mrs. Montini can see that the burrito is about, well, it's about 5 inches. I moved it a little bit. So then if I look at my picture, see, I can see that it's about 5 inches. Or you can take a video. You can do a video or a picture, but make sure you upload. If you're going to take a picture, you're probably taking 2 pictures, unless you have 2 rulers. If you have 2 rulers, You could set up your object and you could put inches on one side, centimeters on one side, okay? But I don't have 2 rulers, so then I'm gonna measure it, and my burrito's about 12 centimeters. So I'm gonna write that down. I'm gonna take a picture or have the video to show Mrs. Montini, and then I'm going to measure it in inches like I did. I didn't write that down. It's about 5 inches. So I'm gonna give Mrs. Montini my piece of paper uploaded to Google Classroom with my test I just finished, and me measuring my object in centimeters and inches. So you might include like 2 pictures of measuring, or you might include a small video. Maybe you have 1 picture with 2 rulers on each side, 1 centimeter, 1 inches, whatever. But it's really important that I am able to see that you got the right measurement, because I could just assume, oh, you measured a cup. Oh yeah, the cup's 5 inches. I don't know that the cup you measured was. So it's very important that I see exactly what you measured and how you did it, okay? So these are gonna be 4 points each. This is 4 points and this is 4 points. The test is 12, I think. I might change it to 13, I'll see, because I wanted to show the work on that problem. So I might have to refigure that. But it's about 20 points for this test. And I am gonna give you a code word, because I think that's important, because you're allowed, if you make a mistake on the test, you can make it up by writing that word on your test on the name line. So if you write burrito on the test, you're gonna get, you know what, it's a test. I'll give you 2 points extra credit. How about that? 2 points. Cute little burrito. It's like, hi, I'm a burrito. Aren't I adorable? So cute. Zoe thinks this thing is adorable. Look at his eyes. And oh, Dom and Molly and a few of you like to draw those eyes, don't you? Ah, it's mesmerizing. Okay, so good luck on your test. Next topic is pretty fun. It's graphing, and I love graphing. And we have a few times. The times are like, you know, kind of icky. We'll get through them though, and then we get to do graphing, and then we're pretty much done with math. We might have time to do some step-ups. I don't know that we will, the way school's going, so we'll see. But good luck on your test. Work really hard, and remember to upload everything that I need. If you have questions, just shoot me a message. Talk to you guys later. Bye.